Hey you guys, in this video I wanted to talk about birds being in your vicinity on semen retention. This another thing I noticed is just like what I said. All sorts of birds, pigeons and sparrows and every other birds you can think of. Those birds were always in my vicinity when I move through my neighborhood. Yeah. um it is something that never happened to me when I was not practicing semen retention. Well, in some areas of the city there are lots of pigeons in groups. So except for those cases, I would never really encounter birds getting near or being near me. Mm, and I've heard some other semen retention YouTubers speak of this. So please do comment in the comment section if you have experienced similar things. And that's about it. All I wanted to speak in this video. My name is King David, and in my channel we talk about semen retention, temperance, self-improvement, and spiritual growth. Because I'm consistent, I'll do another one like this very soon. Bye guys, and stay grounded. Okay, I love you. Peace.